Gold and Indians are inseparable, aren't they? Any occasion is a perfect excuse for us to buy gold, be it your birthday, wedding, anniversary, or even as gifts. We never shy away from buying gold. But how do we buy gold? Today we are here in Namma Bengaluru to ask just that. How do Bangaloreans buy gold? Hi, can I get 2 minutes of your time, please?
Yeah, sure.
I see that you're wearing a beautiful necklace and a gold earring. So do you often buy gold?
Yes, buying gold is an emotion for me.
Not really often, but then, yeah, when there's an occasion, maybe something to celebrate, maybe that time, but not really often.
Yeah, often enough, maybe like 2-3 times in a year on occasions like Diwali, Akshaya Tritiya or
Not often, occasionally, yeah.
Akshaya Tritiya, Deepavali.
Not really, most of them are gifts from family.
Akshaya Tritiya and Dhanteras.
कभी कभी करता है.
Yes, I do. When the budget is, low, like.
What are the important things one needs to consider before buying gold?
Nothing much. I mean, you need to have money. Apart from that, maybe a good brand, of course, because I wouldn't want to go for, gold necklace from a very small place without knowing where I'm buying it from.
I look at the style and the design and something that goes well with my mood and my personality.
I don't know about others, but I go for unique styles and something that's different, that's a little different from the usual.
Okay, so I've heard that you got to check whether you have that 916 mark.
Gold ತಗೋಬೇಕಾರೆ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಪಾಯಿಂಟರ್ಸ್ ನ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಗೊಂತೀರಾ?
ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಚಿನ್ನ ಅಂದರೆ ನೋಡಿ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಜುವೆಲರ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ,
ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೊಸ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸು, ಡಿಸೈನ್ಸು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದ ಪ್ರೈಸಿಂಗ್.
ಆ ಥರ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಸೂಟ್ಸ್ ಮೈ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್, ಮೈ ಡಿಸೈನ್, ಮೈ ಪರ್ಸ್ನಾಲಿಟಿ.
And then they have something written on it, 916 or something like that. I think it's a BIS standard. That maybe, because if I want to give it back and get my money, I probably need that. And of course the design.
The brand that you are buying from and the purity of the gold.
दुकान कैसा है, वो ब्रांडेड है क्या है, बाद में वो क्वालिटी क्या दे रहा है हमको.
We have to check the quality of the gold. Some of the important things would be to check the standards, like for example the 916, BIS and HUID hallmark.
Okay, so what if I tell you, you also need to consider the source of your gold?
Like the jewelry sellers, stores.
From the shop, obviously.
Source of the gold?
It comes from the jewelry store, wherever you're buying it from, no?
What do you mean by source of your gold? I'm not sure. Like source as in like who's the manufacturer, tarana? Like what does that mean? No.
क्या आपको पता है कि आपके खरीदे हुए गोल्ड का सोर्स क्या है?
एक्चुअली हमको वो पता नहीं है, ज़्यादा तो दुकान का ऊपर ही भरोसा करता है.
Well, I generally buy it from reputed stores. So gold comes from various sources. The reason for you to know where your gold comes from is to make sure you do not end up buying illegally sourced gold.
Wait, what?
Illegal?
ಅರೆ ಚೋರಿ ಕೋಯಿ किया है क्या? कल तना ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ.
I've got bill also.
Okay, I was not aware of this.
Are you saying this could be illegal?
And I can be a victim of that?
I mean, I am not understanding. I've paid for it, so it is legal, right?
Illegal, I'm not sure about it, but I just go to the stores and purchase. I have not thought about all that.
So when you're buying illegally sourced gold, not only are you playing an active role in encouraging gold smuggling, illegal gold mining, money laundering, etc., but you're also endangering the environment and our economy as a whole.
So what can we do about it?
I know endangered and all these words are used when you talk about wildlife, but this is new and
No, I wouldn't want to do that. No.
I never thought of all of that.
Do you want to know how to avoid buying illegally sourced gold?
How do you stop that from happening?
I definitely want to know.
yeah, you can educate me. Always open to learning something new.
Yes, of course. Tell me.
So the next time you go to a jewelry store, remember to ask the golden question. Whether the gold is legally sourced or not.
Okay, and how do we know that we can trust them?
And why would they reveal this information?
हमको मालूम नहीं है.
I can do that, but are they going to give me the right answer?
So why don't we go and ask this to a jewelry attendant himself?
As a responsible jeweler, it's our duty to ensure the absolute value for money for our customers.
That is why, apart from purity, quality and price, we always take pride in educating our customers about the authentic source of the gold we purchase.
Committed to ethical sourcing, we only source gold from authorized and legal channels. Illegally sourced gold could be from conflict zones. It might be smuggled, a result of child labor or tax evasion.
Malabar Gold and Diamonds oppose all such practices. We follow the correct import tax and royalty policy of the respective country from which the gold is mined.
We adhere to all legal procedures and ensure fair compensation for artisans and workers.
As a result, each piece of jewelry at Malabar Gold and Diamonds is pure and sacred. Our gold is HUID hallmark.
All diamonds are IGI, GIA certified. And we provide only LBMA, London Bullion Market Association, Trusted Gold London Good Delivery Bars and
DGDB, Dubai Goods Delivery Bars. Malabar Gold and Diamonds take pride in the following authenticity and transparency at every step and providing precise and transparent answers backed by the documented proof to all the questions of our customers.
Jewelry shops cannot lie. They need to give you a proof of source of gold. If they can't, then it's probably illegal. But the most important thing here is to ask the question.
Next time I buy my gold and put in my hard-earned money, I'm definitely going to check the source of gold.
It makes sense because I'll at least know, there's something called illegal and legal sourcing of gold, which is a great thing.
I would have never thought of that. Thanks so much. Thank you.
Sure, I will definitely keep this in mind. Thank you for letting me. I'll keep that in mind next time I go for gold shopping.
आप बोल दिए तो मैं पता कर सकता है.
So the next time you go gold shopping, don't forget to ask the golden question. Because it's not just a choice, it's your duty, and most importantly, it's your right.